Today we're going to talk exactly what does a production manager do. We're going to go ahead and find out exactly that in this next video, guys. Today we're actually on site with production manager Matt, who just so happens to be my brother. We're going to talk to him and see what his day-to-day, day in and day out roles exactly are. We got Matt right here next to me, and I forgot we're cutting. Let me introduce you to my brother Matt here, who's our production manager. Matt, say hello.
How you doing, guys? You've probably seen me before. My role here with Texas Family is I come in. I'm going to be here the day before of the project. I'm going to come and drop off this bad boy back here. It's going to have our stuff, all of our extra stuff and materials in it. I'm going to go up on the roof. I'm going to do a few things while I'm up there. I'm going to check your inventory, check the dates, make sure all the material that we bring out to you guys is within spec, within our year. I was trying to keep it rolling.
Yeah, so you come in, you make sure everything's basically within date, because even though by manufacturer spec it's still good, here at Texas Family we're offering lifetime warranties, and just our reputation alone, we want to install new material, not old material.
Right.
And so what you do, you come, check everything out, and then now so you see this big contraption behind me, and Matt helps make sure this thing is set up before every job starts. Matt, why don't you tell the guys what this cool net is all about?
So our cool fancy net back here is called our catch-all system. What it's going to do is it's going to protect the whole front of the house. We're going to have it wrap around the backside, and it's going to protect your windows, your garage, anything from this falling debris that's going to come down. Also, it's going to protect your landscape and your plants.
So if you'd like to learn more about that, we actually have a video dedicated to the catch-all. Go ahead and click over here and you'll see it there. Let's show you a little more about what Matt does on a day-to-day basis. So we're gonna go ahead and walk you through this property and show you exactly what Matt does. First thing we're gonna do is safety. You see all the guys up there? He's gonna ensure that they are always in their safety gear for high visibility, not only to themselves, but to the other workers around them. We wanna make sure everyone stays safe on the job. In addition to that, he's gonna maintain that the integrity of the safety net is in place the entire time, making sure that no falling debris is landing or messing up the siding of the house. Matt, anything else here that you see, like the driveway, stuff like that, you can show us what we do?
Yeah, so one of the other things, addition to the catch-all, is we have a tarp down for the driveway. So make sure that all of the trash that's going into the dumpster isn't landing and messing up any of your driveway.
We have the entire driveway covered just for that reason. Following back here, the catch-all actually wraps around the house, making sure that the siding and everything over here is protected throughout the process. We're also going to have ground crews that stay strictly on the ground. They're going to clean up, as you can see right here on this landscape here. It's pretty much cleaned up throughout the build. They're going to continue to make sure that all the fallen debris doesn't stay there and it gets picked up and thrown away. So now we're in the backyard. You have things like trampolines and play sets. We have to make sure are a safe enough distance from the house. That way fallen debris doesn't damage that. Also, we're gonna set up the netting in the backyard. We're gonna protect the AC units, the back sliding windows, the back patios, everything like that. Matt is gonna make sure that before anything comes off the roof, that all of this is set up to ensure the safety of the dwelling itself.
So after you get your beautiful new roofing system in, I'm going to be back here showing my beautiful face, and we're going to walk the property and we're going to make sure all the trash is gone, everything looks beautiful, and there's no nails or nothing left behind, and we left it just as good, if not better than it was before.
And don't forget to tell them about the cool magnetic broom you have.
Oh yeah, my super duper strong magnet is going to come by. I'm going to make sure to get all the leftover trash and debris. It's magnetic, so nothing's left behind for you guys. So I'm going to show you guys here, our magnet is a 100-pound magnet. Obviously we got our catch-all system in here, but I'm going to give you guys a quick example of how this guy works. Check that out. Done, son.
Well, there you go, guys. A full 160-degree tour of one of our job sites. Our production manager, Matt, does a thorough job making sure that everything is well maintained throughout the build, safety, integrity, and making sure that everything is being installed correctly. Guys, if you want to learn more, smash the like button, click subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. And a real quick, guys, if you gained anything out of this video and you learned something and you want to buy Paul a coffee, click on the link in the description below and he'll be enjoying and sipping on some brew.